Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to our today's video. Here we are going to learn about how a student can use Rahmah Institute to hire a teacher. At first, you have to go to your browser and search Rahmah Institute. By searching this, you can find our Rahmah Institute website at first on this interface, and it's have the URL rahmahinstitute.com. By clicking here, you will redirect to our website homepage. As you are a new student on the website, you have to log in. If you already have an account, you can log in from here. But if you are new and you do not have an account, then you have to click here and sign up. From sign up, you have to choose your role. As you are registering as a student, then select register as student. Then you have to type your full name. Then you have to give a valid email. You cannot use the temporary email. Just type your email here. So now you have to give a password here. Okay, I have mistaken the email, so I have to give the email again. Now it's correct. I have to type the password. You can see that here are some instruction about the password. As you fill up each instruction, it will return into green. Like if I just cut this, it's a special character and it's full off. Now I am typing the password. As I type the password, it's fill up all the requirement. Now I have to retype the password for confirmation. And then you have to just simply do register. After a successful registration, you have to click OK. Clicking OK, you will be taken to this page. It's saying that a verification link has been sent to your inbox. You have to go to your inbox and follow the instructions from there and verify your email. After verifying, you come back to this page and click after verifying, click here to go home. If you verify your email and then click here, you will redirect to our home page. Now you're on our home page. From here, you can find a teacher. You can find services that are posted by your teachers. By clicking on Find Teacher, you will be redirected to this page. From here, you can find your desired teacher and you can start learning from him. Here on the left hand side, you can find a filter. From the filter, you can see all teachers and online teachers. From here, you can see which teachers is online. From categories, you can choose a category to find a teacher easily. From here, I'm going to find a Quran teacher, so I'm clicking here. Now I have at the first row, Shoaib Hussain, so I'm clicking on his profile to see who he is. Clicking on view profile, you will be taken to the teacher's profile. From here, you can see the teacher's profile, his experiences, his categories, his languages, his education, skills, galleries, everything. Now you need to talk to this teacher, so you have to click on Contact Me, and after clicking this, he will redirect to the chat system. Now from here, you can talk with the teacher. There's another option that is called services. From services, you can find the services that are posted by our teachers. Like from here, you can select a service and easily learn from our teachers. To know more about the services, you just have to click on View Details. By clicking on View Details, you will be redirected to the details page of the service. Here you can see the service. With the blue tick, it's saying that it is verified by Rahmah Institute. You can get the details about the teacher. From here, you can contact the teacher directly, or by clicking on View Profile, you can see the teacher's profile. If you click on Contact Me, you can chat with the teacher about the service, and if you need, you can customize the service by talking with the teacher. You talk with the teacher, and the teacher is agree on teaching you, so he is going to give you a custom order. From here, you will get a text like this. By clicking here on View Booking Details, you will be redirected to the booking page. If you book this, then it will take you to the payment page. From the payment page, you can see all of your payments and your unpaid or pending payments. From Make Payment, you can simply click here and make your payment. Like you're going to select a method, bank transfer. If you are Bangladeshi, then you can choose Bikash, Rocket, Nagad. Like I'm choosing bank transfer. In this bank account, you're going to send that amount of money. Then you will give your account number, from which account you have sent the money, the transaction ID, or anything that is related to transaction ID, the bank name which you are using, your name, and a proof or a screenshot. You can upload it here as an image. Then you have to submit the payment details and wait for the admin's approval. Once the admin approve, you can start learning with the teacher. By following these simple steps, you can hire a teacher easily. May Allah give barakah in your learning. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.